Welcome to this charming 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home that offers a perfect blend of comfort and modern updates. Step into the spacious living room, ideal for family gatherings and relaxation. The eat-in kitchen features updated cabinets and countertops, providing ample space for cooking and dining. The large bathroom is a standout with its walk-in shower and newly installed toilet, ensuring convenience and style. The entire home has been upgraded with new insulation in the walls and attic, enhancing energy efficiency. This home is equipped with central air, a furnace, a water heater, and a 200-amp breaker box, all replaced in 2014, ensuring reliable and efficient utilities. The exterior boasts durable vinyl siding and double-pane vinyl windows for added insulation and minimal maintenance. The roof, gutters, and downspouts were all